As we dive into the world of digital marketing in 2025, it's clear that the landscape is evolving at an unprecedented pace. One of the most significant trends we're seeing is the rise of artificial intelligence. AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's becoming a core component of marketing strategies. From personalized content recommendations to chatbots that provide real-time customer service, AI is enhancing the way brands interact with their audiences. Imagine a world where your marketing campaigns are not only data-driven but also adapt in real time to consumer behavior. That's the power of AI. Next up, let's talk about the importance of video content. Video has been a dominant force for years, but in 2025, it's taking on new dimensions. Short-form video content is exploding, driven by platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. Brands are realizing that capturing attention quickly is essential. The challenge? Creating authentic, engaging content that resonates with viewers in just a few seconds. It's about storytelling, creativity, and connecting emotionally with your audience. Another trend to watch is the growing emphasis on sustainability and social responsibility. Consumers are becoming increasingly aware of the impact their choices have on the planet. Brands that prioritize eco-friendly practices and transparent messaging are not just gaining trust, they're building loyalty. In 2025, it's not enough to sell a product. You need to stand for something. This shift is pushing marketers to align their strategies with values that matter to their customers. Let's not overlook the role of voice search and smart speakers. With the rise of devices like Amazon Echo and Google Home, optimizing for voice search is becoming crucial. This means rethinking our SEO strategies. Instead of focusing solely on keywords, we need to consider how people naturally speak. This shift is changing the way we create content, making it more conversational and user-friendly. Then there's the metaverse. While still in its early stages, the metaverse presents exciting opportunities for brands to engage with consumers in immersive environments. Virtual reality experiences, branded virtual spaces, and interactive events are just the beginning. As technology advances, the metaverse could redefine how we think about customer engagement and brand loyalty. Lastly, let's talk about data privacy. With increasing regulations and consumer awareness, marketers must navigate a complex landscape of data usage. Transparency is key. Brands that prioritize ethical data practices and respect user privacy will not only comply with regulations, but also build stronger relationships with their customers. In 2025, trust will be a currency that can't be overlooked. So, as we look ahead, it's clear that the digital marketing trends of 2025 are all about innovation, authenticity, and connection. Embracing these changes will not only keep brands relevant, but also create meaningful experiences for consumers. The future is bright, and those who adapt will thrive in this dynamic environment.